Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about the Discovery Visa to Canada. We're going to talk about the steps, requirements, and how to apply. I highly recommend you to stick to the end for all details. First, you will need to determine which immigration program is right for you. Canada has several immigration programs, including the Federal Skilled Worker Program, the Canadian Experience Class, and the Provincial Nominee Program. Each program has its own eligibility requirements, so it's important to do your search and find the one that's right for you. Let's talk about how you can use this visa. You can apply for this visa if you are planning to study in Canada, if you are planning to visit Canada, if you are planning to set up a business or any investments intentions. And of course, besides that, you can use it to immigrate to Canada, but the supportive documents varies from person to another. And now, after giving you a general idea about this visa, let's talk about the benefits. First, it's one of the fastest ways to get to Canada. Second, you can include your spouse and your children in your application so they can come with you. Third, you can convert that into a work permit if you found a job opportunity during your stay. And even if you're planning to study, you still can convert that to a study permit. Third, you can extend your visa. And of course, the processing times varies from a country to another. So let's say you applied from Dubai, probably it's going to take between 3 up to 4 months. And if you applied from Bahrain, probably it's going to take 100 days, but it's not accurate. Sometimes less than that and sometimes a little bit more. Number 5, anyone can apply from any nationality. From any country, you can apply for this visa, but it's highly recommended to consult an expert about this because you need to submit a plan along with your application. But if you don't know anyone and you have no experience about that, you can reach out to us for a free assessment. After talking about the advantages and the benefits of this visa, let's talk about the general requirements because as I mentioned earlier, the documents varies from a person to another. First, you need a valid passport, and if you live in a country other than your home country, you need a status there. Let's say you're in Dubai and you're on a work permit, your work permit should be valid. Moving to number 3, you need a police certificate, which is a clean criminal record from a country of residence or your home country. And as a reminder, the video's location in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. We filmed this video before a couple days ago. Moving to number 4, you need to have a resume in a Canadian format. You have to prepare it and make it ready, up to date, and submit it along with your application. Number 5, you need to have a travel insurance covering your stay. Let's say you're planning to stay a couple months in Canada, then you have to cover that period. Lastly, you need to have a bank account, and the amount deposited into your bank account varies from a case to another. So that's the reason why we are offering a free assessment to clear the confusion and try to support you guys as much as possible. And that's pretty much it for today. Hopefully that was a short and informative video. If you have any questions, leave it in a comment section down below or reach out to us via email or WhatsApp, or you can visit our official website. And now coming to the end of the video, thank you so much, best of luck, and have a good one.